Title: If people do not respect you, then adopt these 5 principles. There comes a time in everyone's life when it feels like the world no longer values them. You give your best with sincerity, love, and effort. But what do you receive in return? Silence, neglect, and sometimes it feels like your presence or absence wouldn't even make a difference. You begin to wonder, what's wrong with me? What am I lacking? Let's explore the truth. Here are some habits, small but significant, that might be pushing people away without you even realizing it. 1. Making everything about yourself. If every conversation revolves around I, me, my, if your stories always start and end with your own struggles, people begin to withdraw. Remember, listening is more powerful than speaking. When you give space for others to be heard, they feel seen. And when people feel seen, they stay. 2. Not valuing yourself enough. If you tolerate disrespect silently, compromise your self-worth just to keep a bond intact, or avoid conflict out of fear of losing someone, you gradually start losing yourself. Never forget, a door left unlocked invites anyone in, not just the right ones. Even love needs boundaries. Your silence should not be mistaken for weakness. 3. Breaking promises and being inconsistent. People trust those who are reliable. Empty promises, carelessness, constant excuses, these slowly corrode your character. The truth is, if your word has no weight, neither will your presence. 4. Letting emotions rule you. If you're always angry, easily hurt, or overly sensitive, people begin to walk on eggshells around you. They censor themselves. Eventually, they distance themselves. You don't have to become cold, but you do need to be emotionally strong. Feel deeply, but don't let your feelings drown you. 5. Respect should not be conditional. If you only show respect to the powerful and dismiss those who can't offer you anything in return, you become just another face in a world full of users. True respect is shown by how you treat those who have nothing to offer you, except their heart, their dignity, and their humanity. It's not about wealth or status. It's about kindness, humility, and grace. Final words. The world will only value you when you start valuing yourself. Silence is noble, but only in places where hearts can hear it. Where your silence is met with ignorance, let your voice rise. You matter. Your existence is not ordinary, it's meaningful. And if the world fails to see it, remind yourself who you are.